The 2027 Ferrari F80 represents a breathtaking new chapter in Ferrari's legendary supercar history, bringing together extreme performance, Formula One-inspired technology, and a futuristic design that looks like it belongs on a race track. Although the F80 was unveiled in 2024, its production is planned through 2027, making the 2027 model year especially significant as Ferrari celebrates its 80th anniversary. Only 799 examples are planned, placing the F80 among the most exclusive Ferraris ever created. At the heart of the F80 is a 3.0-liter, 120-degree twin-turbocharged V6 hybrid powertrain. The combustion engine alone produces an incredible 900 horsepower, while the hybrid system contributes another 300 horsepower through an electric front axle and rear MGUK electric motor. Together, the system delivers a massive 1,200 horsepower, making the F80 Ferrari's most powerful road car ever produced. The performance figures are absolutely astonishing. Ferrari quotes a 0 to 200 km per hour time of just 5.75 seconds and a top speed of 350 km per hour. This is not simply a car designed to be fast in a straight line. The F80 has been engineered around cornering performance, braking, stability, and aerodynamic efficiency. Its hybrid all-wheel drive system helps distribute power effectively, giving the driver tremendous traction when accelerating out of corners. Aerodynamics are another major part of the F80's personality. Ferrari has equipped the car with an active rear wing, sophisticated underbody aerodynamics, an S-duct, a front triplane wing, and an advanced diffuser. Ferrari states that the car can generate up to 1,050 kilograms of downforce at 250 kilometers per hour, helping keep the lightweight hypercar planted at extreme speeds. The active suspension also works with the aerodynamic package to improve control and performance on demanding roads and circuits. The exterior design is dramatically different from a traditional Ferrari. The F80 features a low, wide stance, aggressive aerodynamic surfaces, sharp lighting, and an aerospace-inspired appearance. Every major line appears to have a purpose, whether it is directing airflow, reducing drag, improving cooling, or increasing downforce. Ferrari has also created a driver-focused, OnePlus cockpit, giving the interior a strong single-seat racing car feel while still being homologate for 2 occupants. Inside, the F80 continues the combination of racing technology and luxury. The driver sits at the center of attention, surrounded by controls designed for quick operation during high-performance driving. Ferrari has also incorporated technology developed from motorsport, including advanced electric motors and systems inspired by Formula One and endurance racing. The connection to Ferrari's racing heritage is particularly strong because the V6 architecture and several components are related to technology used in the Le Mans winning 499p. What makes the 2027 Ferrari F80 even more special is its rarity. With only 799 units planned, this is not a supercar that will become common on the road. It is designed as a technological showcase and a future collector's piece, following legendary Ferrari halo cars such as the 288 GTO, F40, F50, Enzo, and LaFerrari. Ultimately, the 2027 Ferrari F80 is more than a 1,200 horsepower hypercar. It is Ferrari's vision of how extreme road car performance can combine electrification, combustion power, aerodynamics, and motorsport engineering. With its 350 km per hour capability, advanced hybrid system, aggressive design, limited production, and extraordinary technology, the F80 stands as one of the most spectacular Ferraris of the modern era, and potentially one of the most memorable cars of Ferrari's 80th anniversary year.